Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Web Tech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Binance application on your PC. To download Binance application on your PC, you'll need to download it via an Android emulator. There are multitudes of Android emulators available in the market. In my case, I've downloaded BlueStacks. Download any Android emulator that you find comfortable and click it open. I'm opening BlueStacks since I have BlueStacks installed on my device. After you open BlueStacks, go and click on the Play Store option. Now, search for apps and games in the search box by typing it in. Type in Binance, and after you search for it, you'll be able to find it in the search result. To be able to find it in the search result, you might need to log into your Google account by entering your Google credentials. Click on the install button to download it on your device and wait for the download to finish. After the download is done, wait until it installs on your device. Now, after it is done, click on Open, and that is it. How to change your Binance account's password. Now let's get started. Start by clicking open a web browser and in the search box type in www.binance.com and press the enter on your keyboard. This will take you to the official website of Binance. Now, in order to change your password, go and click on the login button at the upper right and log into your account first. Enter your email or your mobile number in order to log in. Start by typing in your email in the first text field. Now, head over to the next box and type in your password for your account. Make sure to type in your password correct every time you're logging into your account. Click on the login button after you're done. Complete the security verification process. Once you're signed into your account, go and click on your profile icon at the upper right. From the expanded menu, click on Security. Once you open up the security menu, at the bottom of the page, you'll be able to see a login password option. Click on Change right next to it in order to change your password. Now, enter your old password in the text box. On the next field, type in the new password that you'd like to change to. Make sure your password is at least 8 characters long and it contains one uppercase and at least one digit in your password. Once you type in your password, move on to the next field and type in the password one more time just to confirm that you are typing it correct. Make sure that both of the passwords in your new password box and confirm new password box matches, and once it does, click on Confirm Changes and you'll be able to change your password for your Binance account quick and easy. How to delete your Binance account. Now let's get started. Click open a web browser and in the URL box type in binance.com and press the enter on your keyboard. Sign into your Binance account if necessary, and once you're in, click on your profile icon at the upper right. From the expanded menu, go to Security and under Account Activity at the right hand side, click on Disable Account. Go through the information once. It says that once your account is disabled, you won't be able to reactivate the process until at least 2 hours have passed. Disabling your account will cause the following listed on the display. Once you go through everything, click on Disable this account if you'd like to temporarily disable your account. But if you'd like to delete your account permanently, click on Delete this account at the bottom, highlighted in red, and now you'll need to go ahead and enter your email address. Type in the email address that is associated with this account, scroll all the way down and click on Confirm to delete. Soon after you do that, you have successfully deleted your Binance account quick and easy. How to recover your Binance account's password when you've forgotten it and are stuck in the login process. Now let's jump in. Start by opening a web browser first and in the URL box type in binance.com and press the enter on your keyboard. As soon as you reach the official website of Binance, go and click on the login button at the upper right. And now, enter your email address or your mobile number. Let me go with my email address since I registered using my email. Simply type in your email, and when asked for your password, if you remember your password, you can go ahead and type it in the text field and click on Login in order to log in. But in case you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Password link right below the login button. Now, one more time, you'll need to enter your email, type in the email, and click on Next. Go through a small verification process over here. Now you'll need to go ahead and enter the 6-digit code received by your email address. In order to get the code, click on this link that says click to get code. An email verification has been sent to you. Simply go ahead and open up your email that is associated with the account. Once you receive the email, simply copy the code that has been attached to the email, go back to the security verification page and simply type in the code or simply paste it in, and you'll be taken to your next page where you can reset your password. Type in a password with at least 8 characters, and it must include an uppercase letter and at least one number. If you meet the criteria as mentioned below, you'll be able to create a password. You can always double check your password by clicking on this eye icon, which will reveal your password so that it will be easier for you to view before moving on. Now, confirm the password by retyping it again in the next text field. Finally, after you are done, click on the next button. And with this, you have successfully recovered your Binance account by changing its password. Now click on the login button and you'll need to log in this time with a new password. Type in your credential, that is your email or your phone number, and in the password text field, type in the new password that you just changed to. Click on login after you're done. Go through the verification one more time. You'll again need to go through email verification, so go ahead and copy the code one more time. After you receive it, click to get the code. Once you receive the code, copy that, paste it in, and click on submit. And you have recovered your Binance account successfully. How to change your password for your Binance account. To change your password for your Binance wallet, go click open a web browser. Soon after you do that, go to the search box and type in binance.com and search. From the official website, click on the login button if you've not logged into your account yet. Now, soon after you do that, you'll end up in the login box. Log into your account like you normally do. You can either log in using your email or your mobile number and typing in your password. Click on the login button, enter the verification code sent to you, and click on submit to log in. Once you're logged into your account, go and click on your profile icon at the upper right corner, and from the expanded menu, go to security. Now, under your security menu, you'll be able to see that there is a login password option. Click on change right next to login password and enter your old password in the first text field. On the next field, type in your new password that you would like to change to. Retype in your password one more time in the last text field that you see. Make sure both of your passwords match. If it does not, you won't be able to change your password. Once you're done, click on confirm changes. And with this, you'll be able to change your password for your Binance account. How to log into your Binance wallet. Now let's get started. Click open your Binance application installed on your PC. Once you do that, you'll end up in this screen. To log into your account, click on the login link at the upper right corner and then enter your email address in the first text field. If you have registered with your mobile number, click on login with mobile and enter your mobile number by selecting your country code. After that, enter your password and click on the next button. If you have signed up with your email, click on login with email and enter your email address in the first text field. Make sure to enter a valid email address that is associated with the account. Now, once you do that, move on to the next field and type in your password for your account. If you want to double check your password, click on this eye icon at the right corner to reveal your password so that you can double check it and move on. If you've forgotten your password and don't remember it at the moment, you can click on Forgot Password link and follow the instructions to reset to a new password. After you're done entering all the credentials, click on the next button, wait for a few seconds, and complete the verification process over here from the pop-up. You'll need to enter a verification code sent to your email address. Click open the email and copy the security code received. Once you copy that, go back to the page and type it in. Now, click on submit and there you go. How to add Binance Smart Chain to MetaMask. In order to add Binance Smart Chain to MetaMask, the first step is to go ahead and install MetaMask on your Chrome, Firefox, or even iOS and Android devices. In today's video, we're using the Chrome web browser. Click open your Chrome web browser and type in download MetaMask and search. From the search result, click on this first download link and click on Install MetaMask for Chrome. Now, right next to the MetaMask extension, click on Add to Chrome and click on Add Extension in the pop-up. Now after you're done, click on Get Started, and if you already are in MetaMask, you can click on Import Wallet and import your wallet using a secret recovery phrase. If you don't have a wallet yet on MetaMask, click on Create a Wallet, click I agree, and now type in the password for your wallet. Make sure you've typed in the password which is at least 8 characters, and confirm the password in the next text box by typing it again. Finally, click on I have read and agreed to the terms of use box and click on Create. Before getting started, you can watch this short video to learn about your recovery phrases and how to keep your wallet safe. After you're done, click on Next. Now, here is your secret backup phrase, which makes it easier for you to backup and restore your account. Remember not to disclose your backup phrases to anyone since they might get access to your funds on your wallet. Once you reveal the secret backup phrase, copy it somewhere safe, or you can also write it down in a piece of paper and click Next. Now, confirm your secret backup phrases by selecting it and choosing them in the right order. Once you place it in the correct order, click on Confirm, and you have successfully created a wallet on MetaMask. Click on All Done, and there you go. Now, once you've created your account, go to the Settings page by clicking on this icon at the right corner and click on Settings. Now, once you're in your Settings page, go and click on the drop down at the top right corner and choose Custom RPC. Now with this, you'll be able to add a new network name. Type in Binance Smart Chain. Enter the RCP URL in the text box and type in the chain ID. Enter the currency symbol for your Binance Smart Chain. If you'd like to block any Explorer URL, you can type it in the text box and click on Save. Once you do that, you'll be able to add Binance Smart Chain on your MetaMask. Now from your home screen of MetaMask, click on your address right here at the top to copy that, and now go to a faucet page by typing in testnet.binance.org/faucet-smart. Now once you do that, paste your address in the text box right here and click on Give me BNB. After the transfer has been sent, you'll see an increase of your balance. That way you'll be able to add Binance Smart Chain on MetaMask. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.